Good afternoon, Bat community. Justin here with the Avant-Garde collection. Guys, I wanted to get this car out today and spend a little bit of time with it. As you following may know, it is going to end tomorrow, and I really wanted to just spend some time with it, showcase it a little bit for you guys so you know how wildly awesome it is. It's just so nice. Complete PPF, guys. Look how gorgeous these wheels came out. They're spectacular. Tires. This car is so nice. Black is difficult to make this beautiful, and it just really shows well. But beyond how well this car shows, I wanted to really stress how amazing it drives. Suspension, power, just every little component is right with it, and it feels so great on the road. So today, I mean, yes, it looks gorgeous, but today I've had it out in these kind of alleyways of Portland, and there's railroad tracks and there's bumps and stuff, and this car just handles them all with ease. Just a really great driving car, and a very special opportunity for someone that wants a collectible rally car like this. Also, I'm going to spend a little time going over those carbon bits. The consigner of this car is a fanatic and spent lots and lots of time and energy collecting just the right pieces for this car, and those will go along with the sale. So I'll do that next, but just what a neat opportunity someone has here to get a very special car. So if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments. We will get right to you. And yeah, happy bidding, guys. Someone's going to be very excited with their special Toyota in just another day or so. Thanks again.